Hello everybody and welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert, very pleasant this afternoon. Got one of these Campingaz dual burner stoves with a grill. I do like cooking actually outside on an open fire or on briquettes or barbecuing, etc, etc. But many a time in the British weather you can't do that, so I use this gas stove to cook me 1 pots and 2 pots, curries and rice and pasta, etc. Anyway, it didn't kind of like having 2 Petromax FT6 Dutch ovens on it. Quite weighty, 2 cast iron big pots, and it broke one of these little, what you would call it, it's just a little like a spigot that sticks out and stops the thing collapsing too far. So when I have the 2 big pots on it, you can probably see the other one, only small, like sort of alley welded, spot welded rivet. I'm not quite sure how it's fastened on, but anyway, it's broken off on this side here. So as a consequence of that, when you put any weight on it, like my Dutch ovens, the thing collapses like that, which isn't very good when you're trying to cook with hot things. So I'm going to do a little bit of running repairs on it today, and I'll show you, in case it ever happens to yourself, how to fix it. So we're not going to use that anymore, that's not going back on. So just put the 2 bars back on here. Right, so I'll just move this camera around so you can see what I'm doing. So what I've got is, this is about an M3 set screw with a nut. So I'm going to screw the screw through the existing hole where the bar, the little spigot was. I'll just get this started here. Quite sure I've done with the right screwdriver. There we go. Put the nut on. Sorry about that, me banging the camera there now. Screw it all the way up. We need to tighten up the nut and make sure the nut is beyond the side of the bar. Just nip that up with a pair of pliers. There you go, that's that tightened up. And now it doesn't move beyond the nut, instead of the bolt, instead of what was this little spigot. I've kept a spare one as well now, because inevitably if one's going to go, the other one will probably go on the other side. So keep a spare one and take that with me. I'm actually not going to take the other one off. I'll wait for it to break. So that was just a little bit of running repairs. The other thing I can add to that is just with these things is just check the connections here on the Jubilee clip, on the pipe at both ends, because I've noticed sometimes that these things it's already loose. So slacken that off, get the pipe on properly, tighten it up properly. What you don't want is you don't want any gas leaks. And when I'm not cooking with this, I always turn the gas cylinder off, just to be on the safe side. So enjoy your outdoor cooking. That's it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. See you soon.